Hi, I am Lisa and I'm creating me food. What we have on the table today is this amazing vegan, gluten-free, raw chocolate chip cookie dough. It's amazing. You are going to love it. Let's get started. What you're going to need: vegan chocolate chips, baking soda, sea salt, tahini, coconut manna, vanilla, toasted coconut flakes, maple syrup. To begin, we will mix the coconut manna Coconut manna is also a very healthy fat. Tahini is best to get organic. It is just sesame seeds, all ground up. The one I'm using is raw. You want about 50-50 of your tahini and your coconut manna. You'll need a little vanilla. A pinch of sea salt or two. Just a touch of baking soda. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and we need bicarbonate in our body to best transport oxygen and all sorts of wonderful functionings. So it's not just a baking product. Just smoothing out all the bumps. We'll add some maple syrup for sweetness. As you can see, as I'm stirring it, it's becoming thicker and more like a cookie batter. You can taste it for good measure. It's really good. So next we'll add the chunky stuff. Toasted coconut flakes. I like to crunch them up just a little bit. Those are going to give the cookie dough a really chewy and yummy flavor. Vegan chocolate chips are an absolute must. And if you like, you can add slivered almonds or ground up cashews or any other type of nut. Even macadamia nuts or hazelnuts would be really delicious in the cookie dough as well. And there you have it. Cookie dough in a flash. This cookie dough isn't made to be cooked, but rather rolled into nice little balls and popped in the fridge for easy eating with your coffee or for a snack or whenever you like. They are so delicious. Even though this recipe is perfect how it is with the coconut and the chocolate chips and that really yummy batter, I'm going to add a couple other things just to give it some more texture and some more health benefits. Slivered almonds, ground macadamia nuts. You can press the nuts in with your spoon or even go right ahead and grab it with your hands. Wow, how easy was that? What I love about this raw cookie dough is that it actually tastes just like cookie dough. It's amazing. It feels so naughty, but it is so good for you, full of healthy fats and protein. From here, we just make little balls out of them. Set them aside, put them in the fridge. Enjoy. It's so healthy. It's so good for you. It's an amazing recipe to prepare. Pop it in the fridge. You're gonna love having them all the time. In the morning, for snack, even before bed. Enjoy this really nice, fatty, high protein, nutritious cookie dough bite. I hope this helps. Inspirations in your kitchen. Bye for now.